All right, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Sunday live feed in the morning. This afternoon, uh, gonna take a little ride through town, and this time I decided to go up and just ride through Clark. I haven't gone through Clark since I think way before the schism started. So, I had a little issue with the microphone. I hope this will work out. Let me know. And come on for the ride, and let's head on down the road. What I just entered was the Mabalacat gate. I call it the new gate in Mabalacat, but it's probably been there for like 4 years, maybe 5 years. What we just passed there is the roundabout, and I think the road is not open there yet. They have blocked off, but that will take you up to the sports complex if you go up to the right there in the roundabout. And last week we went through a lot of rain, wind, storm, had a typhoon come through. Sometimes somebody told me about 109 miles an hour. And since that day, or the day after, we have not seen any rain, just beautiful sunshine, and it's a great day for a motorcycle ride today. And I realize the sun is just right in the camera, so I hope that's come out all right. Let me know, but I just got to do it anyway. I noticed on my last ride that the G sensors, which is part of the stabilization on this camera I have, is given up. So I think it's about time to start looking into getting a new camera, and we will do it eventually here. Trying to get back into do some vlogging. I've been on the lazy side for a while, more related to that I have not been able to get out. I mean, the restrictions here has been in such a way that I couldn't get out, and now we see the opening up a little bit, and I am going to start vlogging a little bit more over the last 7, 8, 9 days. I've been trying to put out a video every day, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I enjoy to make them. It gives you a chance to get out. It gives you a chance to drive around. I don't hang around people, but I do it this way, and that way everybody is safe, including me. So that's cool. The amazing part with Clark, if you drive through Andoer, San Fernando, Mabalacat, and whatever, most cities, you get into Clark, you get a totally different feel. You feel like you're maybe in United States. The roads are different, everything is different, and it's actually unbelievable. And it's going to be interesting to follow the progress here, because they are developing this area, and with the sports complex, which was the initial thing, down the road, it looks like they're going to put up a city. And I looked at some information, and it looks like by 2030, there might be another 500,000 or so more people working here, and that's really, if that happens, it's unbelievable. Alright, so where am I here in Clark? Okay, so this is down to the right here. You have the, what is it called? The Clark Special Eco Zone or something like that. Down there you have a park, I think it's called Nayong, Filipino park, which is like a park dedicated to Filipino history, culture, has some museum there. Sometimes they have actually authentic shows as far as the, what do you call them, the native Filipinos are having shows in there. There are some replicas of homes and other things. However, I don't know if that is open yet, because last I know, March of 2019, me and my wife went there. We were told it's closed, and then I think we went back there in September or October of last year. They said it would open in August, and we went back there in October, I think, because I came back from U.S. In mid-September. So it was October, and it was still closed. So, and I seriously don't even know if it's open yet, but it's worth going there if you're interested in Filipino culture and Filipino history. Is for sure interesting to go there. All right, so that was a little bit about the eco zone, and I'm going to head up to a area where they have a lot of development going on. So right now I'm on Claro, I think it's Clarium Recto Highway or something like that. It goes by Fontana and the entire Fontana Resort Complex, and the water park and that kind of stuff. And then we're going to head down towards the main gate from there. I just wanted to see, because I haven't seen it. I know they're doing a lot of construction up there, and I figured I just want to get up there and check a few things out for now. So hope you're still hanging in there on the right. All right, so here is the Fontana Gate in there. That's a really nice community. I've been in there a few times. Some immaculate homes and other things. A good area to live if you have the budget for it. Some of the homes up there are in the millions of dollars, not pesos, but you're talking serious money to get into some of those real estates there. There is cheaper places up there too, but some serious good, nice homes up there. Fontana also has the water park and few other entertainment areas in there. I think they closed the casino up there. I don't think that is open anymore. The rumor was that the PNP, Philippine National Police, actually came in and raided it, and it was not raided due to illegal gambling this time. I think it was in 2015, 16, something like that. But this time it was raided because it had a illegal health clinic in there. CDC had talked about they ordered the closure and full lockdown of that, and the leisure park actually inside the Clark Freeport. It was kind of funny because they had some kind of illegal shishmish testing or whatever it was going on there. And I think they had also put up some of that on a couple of side streets in Angeles, and some of them were doing testing, and I think they tested for 1 or 2 days and they were gone. They were closed down. So right, yeah, here's the area I was talking about earlier. A couple of years ago there was absolutely nothing here, 3 years maybe, and last year there was just a few of the high rises. There is Hyatt Hotel, there's a few other things in there, and actually when we had the earthquake last year, the construction of the hotel was set back. I heard somebody said the 3rd floor caved in, but they are apparently back on track on that at this point, so we'll see. But look at the high rises, guys. It's amazing. I mean, I'm wondering who is going to live in these things. Beautiful places though, and I didn't stop here today, or I'm not going to, but if you look around behind me up there, you have mountain hills. There is I think a 36-hole golf course, or 2 or 3 18-hole or whatever, and beautiful views all around there, mountain. So this is kind of built in a valley. It's amazing though. It's pretty cool. All right, so now we're coming down towards the main road, and in this specific area here you have a lot of these BPO businesses, call centers, all kinds of stuff. Federal Express main office in Clark is up on this road a little further down on the left, and we are heading down right here at the traffic light, and we are on the main road on the way to the main gate. Right, so here on the right you have some of these BPOs and other things. But over the last few years, Clark has really developed, and like I said earlier in this video, there is a lot of big plans for this area, and we shall see. If we stay around here, we'll follow it as it progresses and grows. All right, so here I'm coming down to, I think, I'm bad with names, guys, but I think this is Manuel A. Rojas Highway or something. Oops, they squeezed me in there, but we'll sneak out of it. That's what I like about driving motorcycle. You can get away from some of the trouble if you have enough juice in the pedal. Anyway, this has been really nice ride up. I'm happy to be out again and driving around and be about, which it hasn't been too much, obviously, in the last few months. But I am going to continue and do that, because sitting cooped up just put a big gut on you. My wife bought a scale the other day, and I stepped on it, and I shouldn't have, because I realized I've gained about 19 pounds over, since March, basically. So I got to get that off. I got to go out and move. That's why I'm starting doing walking blogs. It's a great exercise, and we're trying to do that at least every other or every third day, 2-3 times a week. Normally when I'm out, I burn off and do at least 3 videos. So I try to walk to 3 different locations, do kind of stuff. If you have any inquiries, guys, feel free to contact me. You can go to our website. You see that in the description. Use the contact page there to get us. You can also go to hashtag Our Life in the Philippines on Facebook, at Our Life in the Philippines, and we go from there. For now, I'm going to let you know, come on to our live feeds every Wednesday, Saturday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern, and also on Thursday and Sunday, Philippine time at 9:15 a.m. Thanks for watching, and God bless. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.